Hello incredible stampers. Today we're going to be making this happy birthday card, and this card is featuring the Awesomely Artistic stamp set. This is on the retirement list, so you only have a couple more weeks to get this one, and I'm telling you, this one has been a whole lot of fun. I'm really gonna miss this one, so if you haven't grabbed it, be sure you grab it. I'm also going to use the sentiment, the Make-A-Wish sentiment from the Happy Birthday Gorgeous. That's going to be for the inside panel of my card. So there are lots of other items on the retiring list, so make sure you take a look at my online store and go to the Last Chance deals. That's where you'll find this and a lot of other good fun stamp sets and other accessories and stuff as well, consumables, all the retiring colors. In fact, this is a retiring color right here as well, this rose red. And I think today, when I stamped this one, I used Old Olive ink, but for today I'm going to try this one in Pear Pizzazz and switch it up a little bit and see how I like that, see if I like it any better. But let's just go ahead and get started on our stamping. So the one thing you'll see is on the inside I did flowers and this little, it's this stamp right here. So first I'm going to take my exterior panel. I'm going to start with my leaf. And I might do a little bit of stamping off to see how dark this leaf ends up being, because I don't want it to show up too bright. Yeah, I'm just going to stamp it a couple times on here and even stamp more than once more time. Okay, the rose red ink. So then I'm just going to go ahead and stamp right over top here. I like that just the way it is, and I'm going to stamp off again and then do just a little bit in that corner right there. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing down here. Just going to take my stamp. Make sure you leave enough room in the center for your sentiment. My happy birthday, this is also a retiring stamp from, it's the Stylized Birthday, and this is a nice wooden block, and this is lasts a long time. It's a great one to have. So if you haven't grabbed this one, I love the font on that too. That's a really fun script. So I'm going to ink that up and just go ahead and stamp that down. For the front of the card, I'm going to use Smoky Slates. And again, I'm taking this other stamp that has kind of a grunged look to it. So it's kind of like a paint, like a splattered look. It's this one. And stamp it off on my pad here and then just do a few splatters. You can do them anywhere. It doesn't have to be, it just adds a little bit of texture to the card. Okay, I like how that looks. So that is the exterior. Let's go ahead and put some adhesive on the back of this. Adhere it to my Smoky Slate card base. And then I'll adhere this to the rose red card base. For my inside panel, I'm going to take this Make-A-Wish sentiment from the Happy Birthday Gorgeous. I'm going to stamp that up towards the top of my card in the center. I'm just eyeballing it. And I'm also going to take my flower again. And again, I don't want this to be too dark, so I'm going to stamp off. And then this last little one has this textured one. I'm using Smoky Slate. And again, I'm just going to stamp off, maybe even twice for this. Maybe like that again. Maybe one more time, just right on the bottom. Again, just gives it a little texture and interest. So now I will put some adhesive on the back of this, and I'm just going to adhere this to the inside of my card. And there you go. So you have this pretty birthday card, quick and simple for my Make It Quick series. I hope you enjoyed today's project. I'm so glad you joined me. Before you go, please take a look at my other videos. I have a playlist full of Make It Quick cards. I also have some more advanced cards in my library, video library, so be sure and check those out. and leave your comments. I'd love to hear from you. What was your favorite part about today's card? What are you looking forward to in the new catalog? There's all kinds of colors. Let me know in the comments. Drop a line. Until next time, have an incredible day.